Sheikh, we have a question from a sister. She's saying that how can we inspire our children to have love for the Deen?
Well, the best way and the most effective way is to have them love you. Because children don't love us that much in the young age as they need us. So it's most of their need for the livelihood or for their food or for their protection that they are with us as in the younger age. So if in that age that need is actually translated or transformed rather into love for us. If we show a love for them, we show affection for them, and they show love for us with softness and kindness and affection, they automatically will start loving the things we do. We tell them to do or we won't tell them to do, but they still love those things. And when they come to an age of shu'ur and they come to of consciousness, then they will learn about the actual Deen. But as a young child, the younger children always will love doing what they are appreciated for, how much they love and respect you, they'll follow that much. So earn that love and respect of your children. Not just by giving them food and shelter, but by actually showing that love and affection. Automatically they start loving things you like them to do.